Let's see the topics which we are going to cover as part of this video. The first one is Introduction to Salesforce, what is cloud, benefits of cloud, cloud services types, what is CRM and why we are going for Salesforce, and what is trial aid in Salesforce and how to log in Salesforce. So these are the topics we are going to cover as part of this video. Next, let's move on to Introduction to Salesforce. In Salesforce, we have two platforms, namely admin and developer. So, with admin, we can create the maximum application and no coding knowledge is required, and most of the topics are common for all versions of admin. Whereas in development platform, Apex class is used for coding in server side. In client side, Visual Studio, ATM, JavaScript is used. So the next is Salesforce releases. Salesforce releases all the changes or updates three times a year, or spring, summer, and winter. And we have Salesforce different Salesforce editions, and each editions has its some unique cost and price, and some functionalities differs for each edition. Now let's see what are the editions we have, and what are the differentiation for each editions. The first one is Essential Edition. Essential Edition is used for small business and limited objects are available, such as account, contact, lead management, opportunity management, etc. The next one is the Professional Edition. Advanced, this is something advanced edition when compared to the Essential Edition, designed mainly for business that require more CRM functionality like lead, sales order, product, and price book, whereas the product and price books functionalities are not available in the Essential Edition. The next one is the Enterprise Edition, which is somewhat advanced when compared to previous two editions. So Enterprise Edition is designed to fulfill the requirement to large and complex business, and it provides access to all platform, which include the advanced tool for the customization and administration. The next one is the Unlimited Edition. Unlimited maximizes business success and extends it across the entire enterprise through the Lightning platform. In Unlimited Edition, we have the Lightning platform, whereas the Developer Edition allows the businesses to access to the Lightning platform and APIs. It helps developers to extend Salesforce, integrate with other application, and develop new tools and application. Now, mostly we are using the Developers Edition. The next topic we are going to cover is what is cloud. Before knowing about cloud, let's see what is server and client. So, let's see what is server now. Consider if I'm sending a mail. I'm sending a mail to a friend. Directly, the mail will not be sent to the friend. Here, the mail first it will be sent to the server, which is a storage location, and from server the mail will be reached to the friend inbox, which is called client. So if I am sending a mail to a friend, it will be directly transferred to the server. Server is a collection of computers. Server is a collection of computers. From server, it will send to the friend inbox, which is the client. So I think you can understand now what is a server. So a server is a computer that provides information to other computer called clients on computer network. Here, server can be placed in any location or anywhere. So the collection of servers that host software and infrastructure is cloud. So the cloud is a distributed collection of servers that host software and infrastructure, and it is accessed over the internet. Cloud can be placed in anywhere. We need to pay and use the cloud. For example, if I need 10 servers to be accommodated for my project, then I need to pay only for those 10 servers. In that way, So the collection of servers, that collection of 10 servers, we call it as a cloud, and it will be placed in anywhere and any location. We have to just pay and use the system. We have different providers in the market: AWS, Azure, GCP. AWS is provided by Amazon, Azure is provided by Microsoft, and GCP is provided by the Google. So this is server, client, and cloud. Next, we'll see what are the benefits of cloud. We can access anytime and anywhere, cost based on usage, no maintenance and no upfront cost, centralized data security, high performance and availability. Next, let's see what are the cloud services types. So we have three types of cloud services, namely IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and SaaS as a service. SaaS, SaaS as a service. So, infrastructure as a service gives virtual hardware like server and storage. Salesforce itself acts as a database, where in infrastructure as a service, all the infrastructures are maintained by the cloud, whereas in PaaS, platform are maintained. For example, which provides tools for building and managing software application. Salesforce admin and development, where all UI and SQL available in inbuilt, or one of the example of platform as a service. Next is software as a service, which is ready to use software application over the internet, and it is used by the end users. For example, Facebook and other social medias which we are using is comes under the software as a service. So these are the three cloud services types available in the market. Next, let's see what is CRM and why Salesforce. So CRM is a customer relationship management, managing all of our company's interaction with current and potential customers, or CRM. Salesforce is an CRM tool handling customer end-to-end data. Like, what are the datas we have in Salesforce CRM tools, or lead, account, contact, opportunity, quote and quote line items, and products. Lead is an enquiry from prospective customer. Account is basically company. Contact person with an account or company. Opportunity is a deal that which we are proposing to our company. And quote line item is the quotation given to the customer for the deal, whereas the product represents the item that a company sells. Next, let's see what is TrialEd and Salesforce developer and how to log in Salesforce. So TrialEd is a learning platform provided by the Salesforce. In this learning platform, you can learn all the platforms, like how to do the administration work and how to do the development. And now they have included something called as an agent force. Everything we can learn with the help of TrialEd, which is a training material. You can log into this URL, and you can create your own account, and you can start learning the Salesforce. Let's see how to create a login in Salesforce. So developer.salesforce.com sign in page, you go to the sign up page and enter the first name, last name, email address, role. You have to select the role as developer, and company name, and the country, postal code, and username. So username should be in the email format, jane at company.sandbox. So it should be something like abc at gmail.com. It should be in an email format. So this we will be using this username to log in into Salesforce. And once you create the account, you will get an verification mail to this email id. You have to verify, and you have to create a login. Once the login is created, you can click on login, and you can enter your username and password and log into the profile. So I have created already, I have an account. So I'm getting into that account. So enter your username, password, and just click login. So This is the Salesforce app. And you click on the switch to, this is an older version, and click on to lightning experience.